Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I will be harvesting potatoes from the first raised bed that I ever received. It's been a couple months now. I want to say about 4 months now. And I think these potatoes are ready to come up. But not only that, I want to use this raised bed for something else. I see the potatoes kind of popping up through the soil. I also see that the potato leaves are dying off or dying back. I got a couple that look strong. I probably might leave those in there, but let me show you guys the potatoes. All right, I'm gonna see what I can dig up and how it's looking after. All right, you guys know the you guys know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. Please do me a favor, hit the like, share, subscribe, and even the hype button. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get to the harvest. All right, guys, there you have it. Fresh harvested, multicolored potatoes. We got some purples and we got some whites. You know the motto on the page, but if you don't, once again, each one teach one. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, and even the hype button. Peace.